Hey y'all, this is Mary from Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I am holding this phone, so I'm sorry it's jiggling. I'm at work, and I need to announce the winners from my FabFitFun edit sale items that I showed. I had showed y'all some of these masks, and I said I would pick two winners to win one of these masks each, and I'm going to throw in a couple more masks also. So I have picked the winners, and I just did not get to film. I forgot about it actually last night. I've been very busy, and I have my live tonight, so please come by and see me. It's at 7 o'clock Central Time, and look at my community tab if you need to know your area's time. I'm so sorry about the shaking, y'all, but I have no place to rest this. Okay, so the winners for this are Kara R. I'll put pictures at the end of the winners so you can see. It's C-A-R-A and then the letter R. Kara has been a subscriber for a while. And then the second winner is Angie Long. And she's also been a subscriber for a long time. So I'm happy these ladies have won. And please get with me. And I believe I might have your addresses, but if I don't, send me a Instagram DM, send me an email. All that information is in the description of the video and also in my about section as well. And I think that's really about it. I know that some of you are going to ask me about my lippy. So today, because it's what I have at work, I don't have very much makeup on. It's Friday, casual Friday. I do have my So Susan lippy. This I got in the October bag, and it is it's like a tint, you can see, but it's nice and dark for a tint. Usually a tint is not so dark, but it's more like a lippy, like a full coverage, but it feels fantastic. It's very moisturizing, and it's been very cold the last few mornings, so it comes in handy to have this. I have it at my desk at work. And this is the packaging. It's So Susan from the color Curate bag. And that's it, y'all. And thanks for stopping by. And again, I apologize for all the shaking. And come see me tonight at the live. I'd love to see y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.